script writing. Now that we've completed the process of topic selection and idea generation and have learned how to gather content creation ideas, let's move on to script writing. Remember, we discussed the 4 key elements essential for any YouTube video. 1. Script writing. 2. Voice over. 3. Video editing. 4. Thumbnail design. In this chapter, we are going to cover script writing. A script is a detailed written document that outlines the entire content, dialogue, and structure of a video that you intend to upload on YouTube. Previously, we discussed 14 strategies for topic selection and generating ideas within your specific niche. The aim of exploring these diverse approaches is to create distinctive content that stands apart from existing YouTube videos. When combined with your self-interest and passion in the niche that you choose, along with the rest of the factors we emphasize during niche selection, these elements should provide you with more than enough ideas to craft a compelling script that will attract and maintain viewer attention. Remember, you can have a great video, excellent audio, an eye-catching thumbnail, and perfect background music. But if your script is poor, all your efforts are going down the drain. The video and everything else are built on the script. Just like a high-quality movie in the cinema, it can feature top-rated actors. But if the script is poor, no one will want to watch it. A poorly scripted YouTube video diminishes impact by reducing audience engagement through a lack of clarity and structure, leading to lower retention rates and viewer interest. This can also make the video appear amateurish, harming the creator's reputation and brand image. No one wants to watch poorly made content. Consequently, it lowers metrics like click-through rate, average view duration, and watch time, which are critical for YouTube's algorithm to promote videos. Let us explore several methods to polish and refine your script. 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT can be effectively used for script writing by assisting with idea generation, plot development, and creating realistic dialogue and vivid scene descriptions. It can also expand partially completed scripts, adding detail and depth. Additionally, ChatGPT can expand partially completed scripts by adding more detail and depth, and it can help overcome writer's block by providing continuous input and suggestions. One of the most common mistakes people make is to simply copy and paste the answers provided by ChatGPT. Avoid doing this. While ChatGPT is one of the best AI tools available, it still has some shortcomings. Its responses may lack the human touch or insight. Let us use ChatGPT to explain. Suppose you have a cooking channel on YouTube and you want to use ChatGPT to make a script for Italian pepperoni pizza. That is a fairly simple task and should not be an issue for ChatGPT. At the prompt, just type that you have a YouTube channel and need a script for a homemade Italian pepperoni pizza. Now review the answer generated by ChatGPT. It's straightforward, concise, and accurate. However, it lacks human emotion. It lacks a human element and sounds as though it was generated by a computer. If you are creating a cooking channel, it's essential to add some human emotion. You don't need to be like Gordon Ramsay, but incorporating a human touch is crucial. Remember, we're making a YouTube channel and aiming for views. While a generic-sounding script may fulfill the basic requirements, it won't attract many viewers. Let us prompt ChatGPT to add some human touch. We need some emotion in the script. This is the revised version. Let's stop here and read this line. I can already smell the amazing aroma filling up in the kitchen. This was not in the first reply given by ChatGPT. The point we're trying to make is that while you can use ChatGPT to generate your script, the result will lack human emotion and touch. This will make your content sound generic and boring, ultimately affecting your channel's ability to attract views and negatively impacting its success. This is why we discussed niche selection in such great detail and covered 14 different strategies for topic selection and idea generation. We emphasize the importance of passion and self-interest in your niche. Simply copying, cutting, and pasting generic replies will not get the views you need. You must add the human element, experience, and emotion to any script generated by AI software if you want to succeed in creating impact in the content. You cannot and should not rely solely on AI tools like ChatGPT. Use them to create frameworks, but your human touch, experience, and expertise in your niche must be evident. Use ChatGPT, but don't forget your own creativity. You need to humanize your content and make it relatable to your audience. 2. Quillbot and Grammarly. Quillbot and Grammarly are popular paraphrasing tools known for their capabilities in rewriting text while maintaining clarity and coherence. Links to both Quillbot and Grammarly are given in the description of the video. Quillbot is an AI-powered writing tool designed to help users paraphrase and rephrase text effectively. It offers several key features, including the ability to rephrase sentences, paragraphs, or entire articles while retaining the original meaning. Quillbot is widely utilized by students, researchers, bloggers, journalists, and marketers for academic writing, content creation, and improving the clarity and readability of their work. Grammarly is a comprehensive writing assistant that leverages advanced AI technology to help users improve their writing. It offers a range of features, including real-time grammar and spell checks, style and tone adjustments, and clarity improvements. Grammarly also provides plagiarism detection by comparing text against billions of web pages and academic papers. Both of them have free versions and paid version. However, the free versions have many limitations. Both of these are highly recommended when it comes to script writing. Both of the applications are simple to use. For example, in Quillbot, you have to enter the original text on the left side, which you want to rephrase. Then press the rephrase button located at the bottom. On the right side will be the revised paraphrase version of the text. It can also check for grammar mistakes, plagiarism, summarize text, etc. The free version is limited in its options. However, the paid version is recommended. You can use any one of the applications as they both have similar functions. 3. Hire freelancers for script writing. Fiverr and Upwork are the top platforms for hiring freelancers for script writing. There are several factors to consider when hiring freelancers. Look for experienced freelancers and not newbies. Make sure that the freelancer you are going to hire has experience that is pertinent to your specific niche. Avoid those freelancers that are jack of all trades and master of none. Always make it a habit to ask for sample works, as these will give you a good idea of the freelancer's experience and exposure. Ensure that the samples are relevant to your niche. You do not need to hire Native American scriptwriters, as they tend to be more expensive. There are thousands of freelancers on both platforms from Asia, Africa, and Eastern Europe who are equally skilled but much more affordable. On average, expect to pay between $20 to $30 per script, which should consist of 1,500 words approximately. You must set clear deadlines and be specific about when you expect the freelancer to submit the task. Remember that many freelancers are in different time zones, so make sure to specify the exact date and time for task completion and ensure that they adhere to this timeline. Don't forget to check the reviews and feedback of the freelancer. Also, consider the total number of completed tasks before hiring any freelancer.